Welcome back to my channel today. I'm excited to share with you how to make money online. Whether you're a beginner looking for a new skill or an expert in the field, this video is packed with valuable insights and practical tips that will take your knowledge to the next level. When done right, a business or freelancer using AI can bring in thousands of dollars every month, and you'd be amazed at how little it costs to keep the wheels turning. We've put our minds together to bring you some of the best ways of making money with AI using top AI-powered tools. And trust us, these aren't generic ChatGPT hacks you've repeatedly seen. We've curated legitimate business and side gig opportunities you can explore now. Make no mistake, there is no AI tool where you log in and money is deposited to your account. However, AI is great at making an experienced person even more productive. So when looking at ways to make money while using AI, you should focus on types of artificial intelligence applications that save time, enhance your skills, reduce costs, and open up new possibilities. Now let's explore these AI money-making ideas. You'll be 80% of the way to making your first dollar with an AI-optimized task. Offer writing services with AI writing tools. Content creation is the lifeblood of almost all digital marketing. Traditionally, it's a process that demands a significant investment of time and creative energy, from brainstorming and researching to drafting, editing, publishing, and analyzing results. Depending on the topic's complexity and the campaign's size, this process can span hours, days, or even whole business quarters. Content creation was one of the first widely adopted frontiers of AI usage in business. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI were taken up early in the AI hype wave and have remained popular solutions for creating content for almost anything. Though using AI for writing has its obvious shortcomings, there is still a ton of potential for those who master the technology to write faster. All this means you can develop your product faster and with fewer obvious errors. Create an MVP, minimum viable product, and quickly start selling it to people who need what you've built. Keeping the initial product as simple as possible at first will help you fully leverage AI. More complicated projects make using AI more difficult. Need some inspiration? Indie developer Louis Pereira created AudioPen, an AI app, which skyrocketed to